Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about why cash is king again. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell. Listen, I was on vacation last week and in this little out of the way town up in the panhandle of Florida, and we went out to eat. So when we got done eating, the girl brought us the bill. And on the bill was an itemized list, and at the bottom it said taxes, and it had the amount of taxes. And then another line said taxes again for $3.75. So it had two tax. We had a big debate around the table about what that tax was about, but we were all wrong. I said, well, maybe it's a county tax and a city tax. Or maybe it's a county tax and a state tax. Maybe there's something going on that nobody told us about that we didn't get to vote on again. They were getting taxed again. I knew about this situation, but I had forgotten about it. Somebody had already told me. So anyway, we go up to the cash register and we pay our bill, and we ask the lady, ma'am, we're dumb as a rock, and we would like to know what this extra tax is on our bill. And she says, oh, that's for using your credit card. And I said, why? She says, yeah. She said, pardon me. She said, if you use your credit card, you now have to pay a credit card tax. And I got to thinking, a buddy of mine owns a mechanic shop in Apopka, Florida. And if you're ever there and you need car repair, I would suggest you go there to a Master Muffler in Apopka. Master Muffler and Brake Center in Apopka. He does a good job. But anyway, he was telling me that his credit card company that he uses to charge people, for people to pay their bill at the auto shop, the credit card company came to him and said, hey, the government came up with this great idea. Now, you don't have to pay for this, for accepting credit cards. We can make the customer pay. So you're going to make more money. And he said, I don't see where that would be a good idea. So he did not bite the hook on that. But this restaurant did, and I think it's going to come back to bite them, because now, this is why I'm saying cash is king again. The lady says, oh, but if you have cash, we won't charge you that extra tax. Now, why is the government letting them claim that a credit card charge for using a credit card is a tax? Maybe in a roundabout way it is a tax, but it's not a tax that's going to go into your community and help your community as far as roads and schools and anything, any government, police, fire department. It's not a tax that's going to help any of them. It's only a tax that gets that vendor out of paying for accepting credit cards. So now you and I have to pay if the vendor chooses to do this. We're going to see an extra line item on all of our receipts where we have to pay for them to do business with a credit card company. If that's what they're going to do, why don't they just say, hey, we no longer take credit cards, it's cash only. And that's why I say cash is king, baby. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell.